Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have two working numbers. One can be a VO IP that receives SMS/calls. Once done, install the second WhatsApp client, use WhatsApp Business, or enable your phone's Parallel Apps feature, because WhatsApp only allows one account per app instance. Make sure to back up any existing chats to Google Drive or iCloud first so nothing is lost. Now open the second app and move straight to number verification to register the new account. You'll now verify the second number. Enter it precisely and choose SMS or call verification. If SMS fails, accept the automated call. If you're moving accounts between phones, restore the cloud backup for that number only, otherwise skip restore to avoid merging histories. Configure a distinct profile name and photo so you can visually separate accounts. Also make sure notification settings are enabled for the second app so you don't miss messages. This gives each number its own identity and working setup. You finish by learning how to operate both accounts. Open each WhatsApp instance to send messages, or use WhatsApp web in separate browsers or profiles so both remain active on desktop. Make sure you assign different notification tones and widgets to avoid confusion. If something goes wrong during verification or messaging, first check that SMS/call delivery works and that your carrier isn't blocking shortcodes. Toggle airplane mode, retry verification, or request the voice call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.